Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at is angles of polygons, and all I've done here is to give you some information in regards to polygons, how the angles are calculated, and information in regards to the relevant polygons. Okay. Now again, please note that you need to write these out for yourselves. Okay. Draw diagrams as need be. Remember that whatever you have written, your brain will not forget. Okay. Now again here, your interior angles of polygons, and I'll just span out. Okay, so you can see in full. Now here we have interior angles of polygons. Again, for your own edification, draw the diagrams out, do the calculation for yourselves, okay, as well. Look up any additional research, add to your knowledge, okay. Just make sure that we got them all in, okay. Now again here, interior angles of polygons. You need to do some of these yourselves, okay. So make sure your calculations comes up to the same as the examples given, okay. So let me just go back a little bit and make sure that I'm bring them in a bit more so that it can be seen in full. Okay. Again, here again for the examples and working examples for you to try and to make sure you understand the concept behind these. And just let me pan in, make sure you can see what each one is trying to say, okay? And you have the relevant information for each. Okay. Now again, there's not much talking for me to do here. Purely, this is here where you do some work for yourselves now. Now look back at the examples, to use the information and the knowledge shown in the examples. Okay, you should be able to answer these without any problems at all. Okay, that was it. Thank you. Again, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.